How government of India led by Narendra Modi has murdered at least 1000 persons in the last 6 to 7 months, and how everything has happened directly or indirectly responsible, directly or indirectly related to me. However, I am not responsible for it. The NIA, the police, and intelligence agencies have done these murders. I'm a believer in non-violence. I believe in the philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi and ahimsa, non-violence. So I condemn these act of murders by police, NIA, the National Investigation Agency, and Indian Intelligence Agency like IB and RAW. I'm Ravi, Section Officer in Election Commission of India, working in documentation section. I raised corruption issues as a whistleblower. The government of India deployed all police and intelligence agencies, NIA, Interpol, and even government of United Kingdom and Brazil to kill me and to anyhow implicate me in false charges. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister, is directly involved in this conspiracy to kill me and take away my life, liberty, and livelihood, along with the corrupt officers of Election Commission of India like Sunil Arora, Dharmen Sharma, Y. Stanhope, A. Mona Srinivas, and others. Now they're trying to declare me mentally insane on raging corruption issues as a whistleblower. How the NIA has murdered me and how the government of India, NIA, police, crime branch, IB, RAW, military intelligence agencies have murdered at least 1000 persons in the last 6 to 7 months. Number 1. Death of Pranab Mukherjee, the former president of India. See and analyze Narendra Modi's tweet. Narendra Modi said, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee left indelible mark. Indelible mark. It is like indelible ink used in voting since I work in election commission. And then Narendra Modi said, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee was loved by all sections of society. Since I work in election commission as a section officer, So Narendra Modi commented, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee was loved by all sections of society. Number 2, Sushant Singh Rajput. Just see my staff and the National Archives of India staff, NAI staff. NAI and NIA are just similar sounding words. NAI means National Archives of India and NAI means National Archives of India and NIA means National Investigation Agency. Just see my staff. Consider me as Sushant Singh Rajput. My name is Ravi. I do not use a surname. And Sushant Singh Rajput had also dropped his surname after the Padmavat episode, and he originally hailed from Bihar. His last 3 movies were actually based on me. See my staff. My assistant is Rajni Chhabra, and the director of movie was Mukesh. The director of movie Dil Bechara was Mukesh Chhabra. See the NIA staff. Amit Kumar. See the NAI staff deployed in my division. Amit Kumar, son of Raj Kumar. And Sushant's name in Dil Bechara was Emmanuel Rajkumar Jr. The daily wager who works in my section is Gulshan, which was Sushant's pet name. Jay Prakash. is also a character in Sushant's last movie, and JP Mahto, Jayaprakash Mahto, Section Officer, Election Commission, is there in Service and Maintenance section, which does take part in phone tapping, etc., and all intelligence related works. Number 3, Wajid Khan. I listened to YouTube song Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya on 18th May 2020, and music director of Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya, Wajid Khan, died on 1st June 2020. Obviously, it was a state-sponsored murder. Number 4, Punjab alcohol incident, murder of 130 persons. I listened to मैं से मीना से नसाकी से of, even though I'm a teetotaler, I just listened to that song of Govinda on 27th July, and on 29th July 130 people in Punjab are killed by consumption of poisonous methanol. This has surely been done by NAI. This has surely been done by the National Investigation Agency, IB, Intelligence Bureau, RAW, and other intelligence agencies. Number 5, I write to President about me being injected slow poisons, and 11 persons are killed by the National Investigation Agency and intelligence agencies by injecting poisons in their bodies in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, who were Hindu refugees from Pakistan. Number 6, Modi talks about Amroha in his previous Mann Ki Baat, and minister from Amroha, Chetan Chauhan, gets killed. Number 7, Sushil Kumar Maurya, IAS. Sushil Chandra is the election commissioner working in my office, who is slated to become the next chief election commissioner. Number 8, the member of parliament of Kanyakumari who was killed was H. Vasant Kumar, and the pilot of the Kozhikode plane crash, 19 persons killed, was Deepak Vasant Sathe. Vasant also works in my office. Number 9, PM Modi launches Swanidhi app. The name of the district collector of Raigad building collapse, 16 persons killed, is Nidhi Chaudhary, and there is a slum dweller of the same name near my locality, against whom I have already complained to the police. Number 10, Shravani, Telugu actress, committed suicide, but actually she was murdered. If you will remove the words SH and A in Shravani, it becomes Ravi. Number 11, Devendranath Ray, MLA, West Bengal, Nirvendra Mishra, former MLA in UP, Mahendra Tripathi, Judge, MP, and Chiranjeevi Sharja are murdered. Since Indra the Tiger is my favorite movie, Indra also indirectly relates to Swapna Suresh, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and Suresh Raina. They took retirement, and they are implicated in the Swapna Suresh is implicated by NIA in the Kerala gold smuggling case. Number 12, see the similarity of dates. The Ayodhya Bhumi Pujan took place, and a memorandum was served to me. Sameer Sharma, memorandum was served to me in office. Shameer Sharma, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, actor was murdered. Kangna's office demolished. It was the same day my office threatens me of disciplinary action by another memo. C. Navy officer beaten. I was beaten by my neighbors like Alok Kumar, Navneet Nayan, and some BJP Gundaj and Delhi police. I complained to Delhi police, but they refused to register my first information report despite dialing 100 number many times, 10 times or 20 times. Number 13. Bangalore riots. I had complained against A. Mona Srinivas, IAS, as a whistleblower against corruption, and A. Srinivas Murthy, A. Mona Srinivas, A. Srinivas Murthy incited the violence. A. Mona Srinivas, A. Srinivas Murthy. Number 14. Delhi riots. Delhi riots. 53 persons killed. The person who wrote a book on it is Monica Arora. Monica Yadav was my ASO, Assistant Section Officer in IIIDM Dwarka. And Monica Bhardwaj is also the name of DCP North Delhi and now DCP Crime Branch. And Arora means Sunil Arora, the current Chief Election Commissioner. So Monica plus Sunil Arora is equal to Monica Arora. So this proves how the Delhi riots were state sponsored. Now, Ankit Sharma, IB officer's body was found in a drain during Delhi riots. Another incident happened in the same manner. A drain also flows near my residence, near North Delhi, Patel Chase Christian Colony. There is a drain. And the name of my assistant section officer in Northeast section, the name of my nephew and one of my friends and a witness in Sushant Singh case, everywhere the same name is there, Ankit. And Ankit was murdered in Chandni Chowk recently. Everyday encounters are happening in Kulgam. Kul means family. Shop means shop, SHOP. And if you reverse the words Yan, it becomes NIA, shop plus NIA, Shopyan, National Investigation Agency. Punch means tail, it relates to animals. It's a derogatory word. And if you analyze it in different context. Rajouri means, again it refers to king. Pulwama means, pul again means bridge. Bridge is just located nearby residence in Christian Colony, Patel Chase near Delhi University. In Kashmir, in which both residents and security forces in Kashmir are being killed. Many hundreds of people have been killed in the past 7 or 8 months. Number 16. Modi and Giriraj Singh address one function in just recently related to pisciculture. And 2 children in Begusarai get murdered. Giriraj Singh hails from Begusarai. Number 17. I went to Haldiram Connaught Place, take an auto from opposite side near fire station, and 7 persons are killed in Tamil Nadu cracker factory fire. Number 18. 7 persons are killed in Bhilwada. Bhil refers to Eklavya, which is a comic misrepresentation of my projection as Eklavya. Number 19. I'm working in documentation section. Modi uses the word documentation in his speech in meeting with BJP leaders in just in the recent past. This is not a word which normally gets uttered by somebody during political discussions or political speeches. Number 20. 3 sadhus in Palghar, 17 persons in Aurangabad, 13 in Auraiya, 24 in Mannar, 11 in Vijayawada, COVID fire, 10 Ahmedabad COVID fire, 9 Sri Salam underground hydroelectric power, 5 persons Gujarat chemical plant explosion. It's chemical means related to chemistry, which was my subject in graduation. 49 persons in Rajamala tea plantations, 2 persons in boat sinking incident in Dholpur. Dholpur refers to Dholpur, Rajasthan. It indirectly refers to Dholpur House, which means where the Union Public Service Commission office is located. Then Lavkush Sharma. There is one Lavkush Yadav in my office. So everything is just happening in the past few months, 6 or 7 months, which is directly or indirectly related to me. Or for the past 1 year, things are happening which are directly or indirectly to me. I here completely believe in the philosophy of non-violence and believe in the thoughts of Mahatma Gandhi and the principle of ahimsa. But these murders are being carried out by state agencies, I mean by the National Investigation Agency, RAW, IB, Intelligence Bureau and Police and Crime Branch, who are murdering innocent persons. And at least 1,000 to 1,500 persons have been murdered. And the government of India has inserted a Neuralink chip of Tesla in my brain, and they are carrying out my brain mapping illegally, and they have connected it to remote servers located in different corners of the world. This has been done without my consent, and it is one of the biggest violations of human right in entire Indian and global history. The government of India is murdering me for being a whistleblower against corruption. If anything happens to me, Mr. Narendra Modi, Chief Election Commissioner Mr. Sunil Arora, Dharmen Sharma IAS, A. Mona Srinivas IAS, Y. Stanhope, Senior Principal Secretary, National Investigation Agency, Delhi Police, Specially Commissioner Mr. S. N. Srivastav, Monica Bharadwaj, officials of Morris Nagar Police Station, NIA Director General and his team, National Investigation Intelligence Bureau, RAW officials, and my neighbors like Navneet Nayan, Alok Kumar, Subodh Thakur, Maniruddin Ansari, and others living in Christian Colony area would be responsible. I'm a gazetted officer in Government of India. My own government is killing me for raising corruption issues as a whistleblower. I work as a section officer in Election Commission of India, Nirvachan Saran, New Delhi, and Narendra Modi is killing me for ensuring his political victory in the forthcoming elections to appease his loyal officers like Dharmen Sharma, Sunil Arora, and others. Thank you.